Hey friends, summer is here, and if you're anything like me, you're already fighting off gnats, sweat, and those sticky heat waves. So let's dive into my top 10 must-have items that'll help you conquer the hot months ahead. First up, the sticky gnat paper. This stuff is a lifesaver. Just hang a strip, and those annoying flying bugs will be out of your hair in no time. If you want something a little more zappy, try a bug zapper. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of hearing a little zap as you reclaim your porch. Now, if you've ever taken a sip of coffee and found an unexpected guest floating in your cup, coffee cup covers are your new best friend. Trust me, they're a game changer. Portable fans are essential. I clip one to my bag whenever I hit an outdoor market or have a backyard cookout. And for those super hot days, a cooling towel is magic. Just wet it, wring it out, and drape it around your neck for instant cool down. Sunscreen sticks are a must for quick, mess-free touch-ups. No more greasy hands or missed spots. And while you're out there, don't forget to hydrate. I love bottles with time markers. They actually motivate me to keep sipping all day. If you're hunting for shade, a clip-on umbrella or sunshade is a total hack. Just clamp it to your chair or stroller and boom, instant relief. Now, my personal favorite, a battery-powered mister fan. It's a fan and a cool mist sprayer. I mean, come on! And finally, don't forget insect repellent wipes. Gentle on skin, tough on bugs, and no sticky sprays. There you have it, my summer survival kit. Drop your must-have summer essentials in the comments and stay cool out there.